dyno shop. Getting the torque converter installed. Goes that guy's car. Goes a Mustang back there. I guess they're tuning that Sierra. How many miles? 84,465 miles exactly. Something is wrong with my brakes. I got the brake and the ABS light on. And that just means it's normal. Jamming out to 8-ball and MJG. Sticker expired. Waiting on my other van to get here. My other ride. But yeah, man. 84,465 miles. I just like to document what I'm about to do. They got an old school truck back there. Yeah, man, I want an old school pickup. But yeah, hopefully he can diagnose and see what's going on with my brakes. It goes off every now and then it seems like everything's alright. I don't know if I felt the car pulling to the left on my way over here when I was braking. I don't know if that's just me or what, but yeah, man, we'll see what happens. Hopefully the car runs better with the torque converter, and maybe I could lower the RPMs. When I put it on drive, it's like at 800 to 900. Gotta ask my tuner. That's my van. That's my ride. I think you guys know already, but that's what's up. Well, let you know how it goes.